Okay, it is time to harvest. The silks are dry. Feels nice and big. So go down. You hear the snap. And now push up. Oh, there we go. I did it. Okay. Here we go. So this one is dried, but there is no growth. So that is done and over with. They didn't get pollinated. That's what I learned. Same. Got a whole new something coming up here. That's not healthy. This one is ready. This one is definitely ready. Okay, look. The silks are dry, brown and dry. Now it is time to harvest. Okay. Go down, hit a pop, and push up. Boom. Now we have corn. Let's see how big they are. This one is first. So that means that not all the silks got pollinated. That's what I learned. It's a rough piece of corn, but this is my first ever piece of corn that I grew. All right, now let me check this out. I think this one was too soon. Oh, wow. Look at that. It is a raggedy piece of corn. But it's mine. It's mine. Get down. It's mine. Better luck next time, but I'm eating this corn. It's not ready. Let me taste the other one. Not good. Look at that. Does not taste good.